Hey, welcome back to the garage, where the candles are hot, the charts are louder than a Lambo, and the only thing smoother than tonight's trades is Lulu's fur. Before we dive in, quick update. Yeah, your boy had a little surgery today. Just a pit stop, nothing major. But like I said last night, the show must go on. And thanks to our head of technical analysis, Lulu the Crypto Pig, we're still cooking with rocket fuel. Now let's fire this thing up. Bitcoin just peeled out and left a fresh skid mark at the top. We're talking $107,060. New all-time high clean. No dust. How'd we get there? 677 million in ETF inflows on May 19th. BlackRock dropped over 300 mil like it was gas money. And the basis trade, 9% yield. That's not noise. That's institutional horsepower. Trader's edge, bullish. The street's no longer testing crypto. They're merging onto the blockchain Autobahn and gunning it. Now let's talk AI sector. And TAO? Oh, she's purring. Dynamic TAO upgrade is live. Now stakers get to steer subnet value. That's like letting shareholders tune the engine while you're racing. Add in cross-chain power with layer 0 plus subnet market cap blowing past 500 million? Yeah. TAO is not some alt sticker, it's a decentralized machine shop, building compute rails for the agent economy. Trader's edge? Long-term bullish. This one's not a meme coin in a hoodie. It's a protocol with torque. Now into the jungle, meme coin land. One whale just went full degen, dropped $5.86 million into Solana meme coins, 1.49 into WIF alone, which then launched 60%. Pepe, up 11. Bomi and Pump, gaining steam. But hey, don't get blinded by the neon signs. Rugs are lurking. Trench play of the day, WEF. It's got volume, community, and an actual whale behind the wheel. Inflation's cooling, 2.3% CPI. The Fed, still chilling at 4.25 to 4.5%. And here's the kicker. US and China just hit the clutch on tariffs. From 145% down to 30% for 90 days. That's a turbo boost for risk assets like crypto. But the 10-year yield's climbing to 4.48. That's the oil temp gauge rising. Don't ignore it. Now let's bring in the real boss. She doesn't talk, she doesn't type, but when that snout hits the screen, it's game on. Lulu the Crypto Pig is on the charts. Timestamp 6:09 p.m. UTC plus 7, May 21st, 2025. Bitcoin, BTC USDT. Price, 106,918, bounced off 106,600, printed a higher high. Inverse head and shoulders forming. Lulu's call, bullish. Target, 107,200. Solana, Sol USDT. Price, 168.56, lower highs stacking in a descending triangle. She sniffed the breakout line at 169. Watch that zone. It breaks. We go vertical. Ethereum, ETH USDT. Price, 2,534, higher lows. Forming, reclaiming momentum. Accumulation underneath. Target, 2,545 if momentum holds. Cardano, ADA USDT. Price, 74.5 cents, rounded bottom. Long buys piling in. Volume rising. If it breaks 74.8, Lulu says we're heading to 75.5. And let's not forget, this is not financial advice. Lulu is a pig, not a licensed professional. But when she oinks twice, we usually listen. Top opportunity tonight, Bitcoin's ETF momentum plus that 9% basis trade yield. Big dogs are eating. Biggest risk, token unlock contagion. Pyth flopped hard. If sentiment breaks, alts could cascade. Under the radar, Ethereum. 13.7 million flowed into BlackRock's ETH ETF yesterday. That ETH BTC gap might be closing fast. And that's it from the garage. I may have been under the knife today, but Lulu held it down and you still got the alpha. Catch you on the next lap.